Hi guys, in this video I will show you the easiest way to create an animated video using Canva, and it's all free. So we're gonna start now. First of all, go to the Canva website, thecanva.com. Now on the default interface, now you will tap on the purple button to create a design. Then you tap on the searching bar to find the YouTube videos format. Now it will move to another tab. So on the new tab, you can see there is a white blank canvas. On the left side of the screen, you will click on the elements option. So now I'm gonna make an animated video about a family who just moved into their new house. I'm gonna tap on the searching bar to find the background. I will search the word groom. After selecting, now I will adjust the size of the picture to fit the canvas. So here in this house, there will be a man will move in a cupboard. So I'm gonna search for those objects that are related to my story. The cupboard first. Remember to tap on the graphics to find the pictures which is animated. After selecting the most suitable one, now you will tap on that picture. Then it will appear on your background. Continue to adjust the size and the spot to put that cupboard in the house. Then I'm gonna find a man pushing the cupboard. Continue all the same steps. I'm gonna make the dad is pushing the cupboard. After that, I will select two objects at the same time by clicking on those two objects while holding the shift key. Then click on the animate button. Tap on the button create an animation with a bee picture on that. I want these objects move straight towards the door. Then click on those objects and drag the way you want. Your dragging pace is also that animated speed. After you finish, release the mouse. Now you can adjust the speed, add motion effects and something more. After you finish on the adjusting, now you tap on done. Then you will tap on the plus icon to create a new scene. Continue the story plot. The little boy is playing in the backyard. Now I'm gonna search on the elements section to find the garden and backyard background. Adjust the background to fit your canvas again. I'm gonna find a boy with the throwing gesture. In this scene, I'm gonna put a cloud and also a bird that can move by searching on the elements bar for those keywords. Continue to create the animation for those objects. I will make the clouds moving slowly on the sky. Then I need a bird with a flapping motion and moving slowly. You can use the graphics with the flapping motion, like they can have any motion and they still use the same graphics like the others. Then create for that bird an animation. After that, I will find a ball so that boy can play throwing ball in the garden. Then add for that ball an animation. I'm gonna make that ball bounce into the ground and then disappear on the right side of the picture. Make the speed for that ball faster so it will look like in the real life. Now I will create another scene. So this scene I will make into the bedroom, and like the big brother is really excited when they have a new bedroom. Then I'll find a man like he is doing the happy skipping, like jumping himself to enjoy the new bedroom. Add some animation. Instead of creating a new animation, now I will choose something that is available. I will choose the drift one. Now that man skipping and moving forward at the same time. So now move to the last scene. This is where the mother is sweeping the floor. Find the house background again and then find a mother like a woman is sweeping. After clicking on the animate button, you will scroll down and see the effects for the picture. I will choose the wiggle one. After that, I will create an animation for her. She will move forward, and while she is still wiggling, it looks like she is sweeping the floor. After finish creating all the animation, Now I will add transition between those scenes. Put the mouse between two scenes. It will show you two buttons. Then you will click on the add transition one. Then there will be a list. Now you can choose the transition that you want. Then continue to do all the same steps to all of the remaining scenes. After that, we need a background music. So, see on the left side, you will see the upload button. Click on that and then choose the audio section. Now you can upload a file with the MP3 format. I already got one. Click on that and then drag to under the scenes. After that, you adjust the music. Choose the part of the song that you want to add to your scenes. Click on the three dots on the sound that you have added. You can adjust the volume or you can split the sound and do many things more. After you finish and you want to download or you want to share to somebody, you tap on the share button. Then there will be a download option. You check the format and then tap on download. Now wait until it finishes. So now let's have a look at our results. Thank you for watching. If you find this video useful, please hit like and subscribe.